Hello, I am going to share the detail of content management system with you. That is the main view of our project, and here is the slider. Different type of images can be placed here, and about us it provide the detail about our company, about our business. Contact us. Anyone want to contact with this company, anyone want to contact with this type of employees, he can contact with this company. And if he want to leave any feedback, he can place any feedback. He can send email to admin, gallery, latest event, user login, different type. And home, from home, if any customer, anyone want to online registration, he can register from here. And if he will register from here, he will send an email to admin. After admin approval, he will go to login system. Only approved employees will get their login system, and from here, after getting their login system, um, from here they can log in and perform different type of tasks. What tasks they can be performed? They can different these are following tasks they can perform. They can check any emails from admin send email, different type of email to customers. And they can join chat room, they can chat with each other, and registered employees will show here, and login employed will show here, and they can chat with each other. And any other thing, they can change password, they can give any feedback, they can any send any email to admin. Any query type, from here they will attach files. From any query they want to share with the admin, they can send from here. From here they can log out. That is the content management system, that is a user panel. And here is the admin login. And after admin login, he can perform all type of tasks: edit, delete, update, record. He can view registered employees, he can view different type of record, he can edit, delete, update all records. And he can place different type of queries. Here is the home, here different type of employees, attendance system. That is a huge project which I performed, content management system. It is in Visual Studio and ASP.NET, C Sharp. And similar project I have also done in PHP and CSS, HTML, different type of tools I can use. That is complete form detail of project. That is the main view of project I am going to share with you. I am professional website developer. I can design any type of website, any type of software. That is complete detail of our project. That is main view I am going to share with you. We were talking about that is running. We were talking about admin login. Here is the admin login. He can perform attendance system, he can perform advanced entry for employees. Employees can get advance from admin, and he can payment to employees. That is registered employee can got payment from. He can search record, different type of record can be searched. He can search record of registered employees. He can view different type of record of employees. He can search entries of employees by name, by date of joining, by all employees record he can view. He can design reports. Here I have used crystal reporting, employee report, attendance report, payment, advance entry, overtime report, salary slips. Different type of salary slip he can generate. Registered employees got payment in the organization. It is complete organization management system. That is crystal reporting I have used in this project. He can design any type of employee registration report. He can view all type of users who are sending emails, who are registering, He can check feedback history, and he can send email to any of user. He can compose email, he can change password. That is all admin's roles. Here he can attendance management system, payment management system, he can add and delete updates, employees record. He can manage a record of employees in the organization. Here is complete attendance registration. He add and delete update. He can perform any type of functions that an admin can perform. It is complete organization management system. It is its home, and any type of project I can design and develop. If you want to run any system, if you want any organization system, any content management system, that is admin panel, separate admin and separate user panel. You can freely contact with me, huh? My name is Muzammal. I am professional web software developer with the creative styling name at Fiverr. Thank you for watching.